When we talk about changing our mental state, we're essentially talking about moving from fear to love. It's a journey from feeling disconnected and lonely to experiencing a sense of connection and inner peace. Fear manifests in various ways: anger, isolation, and pain. When we shift from fear to love, we open ourselves to a world where we can relax and truly enjoy the beauty of life. One of the fundamental truths in life is that our thoughts shape our reality. If we constantly think negatively, we attract more negativity. On the other hand, when we cultivate positive thoughts, we invite positivity into our lives. This shift isn't about ignoring the challenges we face, but about changing our perspective towards them. It's about recognizing that we have the power within us to transform our lives. In our journey of change, affirmations can be incredibly powerful. These are positive statements that help us rewire our brains to think differently. For example, instead of saying, "I am not good enough," we can affirm, "I am worthy and deserving of all good things." By consistently repeating these affirmations, we gradually begin to believe them, and our lives start to reflect this new belief system. However, it's important to understand that change is a process. It doesn't happen overnight. We might start with a strong intention to change, but then find ourselves slipping back into old patterns. This is completely normal. Change involves vacillating between the old and the new. It's like learning to ride a bicycle. You may wobble and fall a few times before you can ride smoothly. During this transitional period, patience with oneself is key. Often we are our own harshest critics. We beat ourselves up for not making progress fast enough. Instead, we need to practice self-compassion. Acknowledge that you are on a journey and that every small step forward is progress. Celebrate your wins no matter how minor they may seem. Visualization is another powerful tool for mental transformation. By visualizing our desired outcome, we train our minds to focus on what we want rather than what we fear. For instance, if you are seeking inner peace, spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself in a state of calm and tranquility. Imagine the feelings associated with this state. The more vivid your visualization, the more your mind believes it to be true, thus making it easier for you to manifest this reality. It's also crucial to be mindful of the language we use. Words carry energy, and the words we use to describe our experiences can either uplift us or bring us down. Instead of saying, "I am in pain," we can say, "I am experiencing sensations." This subtle shift in language can significantly alter our perception and make it easier for us to cope with difficult situations. The environment we surround ourselves with also plays a significant role in our mental state. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Create a space that feels safe and nurturing. By doing so, you create a supportive environment that fosters positive change. Self-care practices are essential in this journey. This could be anything from taking a walk in nature, practicing yoga, meditating, or simply taking time to relax and unwind. These practices help center and ground us, making navigating life's ups and downs easier. Forgiveness is another crucial aspect of mental transformation. Holding on to grudges and resentment only weighs us down. It's like drinking poison and expecting the other person to suffer. By forgiving others and ourselves, we release this burden and free up space for love and positivity to enter our lives. It's also helpful to keep a journal. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can be incredibly therapeutic. It allows you to process your emotions and gain clarity on your thoughts. It's a safe space where you can be completely honest with yourself without fear of judgment. As we journey through life, it's inevitable that we will face challenges and setbacks. These moments can be seen as opportunities for growth. Each challenge teaches us something valuable about ourselves and the world around us. By viewing these experiences as lessons rather than obstacles, we empower ourselves to grow and evolve. Meditation is another powerful practice that can help us change our mental state. It allows us to quiet the mind and connect with our inner selves. Through meditation, we can gain a deeper understanding of our thoughts and emotions, making it easier to shift from negative to positive thinking. Even a few minutes of meditation each day can have a profound impact on our mental well-being. Gratitude is another powerful tool for mental transformation. By focusing on what we are grateful for, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have. This simple practice can have a profound impact on our mental state. Each day, take a moment to reflect on the things you are grateful for. It could be something as simple as a warm cup of tea or a beautiful sunset. By cultivating an attitude of gratitude, we invite more positivity into our lives. And another key aspect of changing our mental state is letting go of limiting beliefs. These are beliefs that hold us back and prevent us from reaching our full potential. For example, if you believe that you are not capable of achieving your goals, you will likely not take the necessary steps to achieve them. We can replace these limiting beliefs with empowering beliefs that support our growth and success by identifying and challenging them. Self-love is at the core of mental transformation. It's about treating ourselves with kindness and compassion. It's about recognizing our worth and believing we deserve happiness and fulfillment. Self-love is not about being selfish. It's about taking care of ourselves so that we can show up as our best selves in the world. As we continue to work on changing our mental state, it's important to celebrate our progress. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Acknowledge and celebrate these wins. This positive reinforcement helps to keep us motivated and committed to our journey. Another powerful practice is to surround ourselves with positive affirmations. Write down affirmations that resonate with you and place them where you can see them daily. These reminders help to keep us focused on our goals and reinforce our positive beliefs. Our diet and lifestyle also play a crucial role in our mental state. Eating a healthy, balanced diet and engaging in regular physical activity can have a significant impact on our mental well-being. Taking care of our physical health helps to support our mental health, making it easier to stay positive and focused. As we work on changing our mental state, it's important to be patient with ourselves. Change takes time, and it's normal to experience setbacks along the way. Be gentle with yourself and recognize that every step forward is progress. To conclude, the journey of changing our mental state is deeply personal and transformative. It involves moving from fear to love, from negativity to positivity, and from a place of limitation to one of boundless potential. By understanding that our thoughts shape our reality, we can begin to shift our mindset and create a life filled with peace and joy. Affirmations play a crucial role in this process. These positive statements help us reprogram our minds to think differently. By consistently repeating affirmations, we start to believe them, and our lives begin to reflect these new beliefs. Remember, change is a process, and it's perfectly normal to experience setbacks. Patience and self-compassion are essential as we navigate this journey. Visualization and mindfulness are powerful tools that support mental transformation. By vividly imagining our desired outcomes and staying present in the moment, we train our minds to focus on positivity. Similarly, the language we use can significantly influence our perception. Shifting from negative to positive expressions can alter our outlook and help us cope better with challenges. Our environment also impacts our mental state. Surrounding ourselves with uplifting people and engaging in joyful activities creates a nurturing space that fosters positive change. Self-care practices like meditation, yoga, and journaling help us connect with our inner selves, providing clarity and grounding. Forgiveness is another vital aspect of mental transformation. Letting go of grudges and resentment frees us from the burdens that weigh us down, making space for love and positivity. Keeping a journal can be therapeutic, offering a safe space to process emotions and gain clarity. Viewing challenges as opportunities for growth empowers us to evolve. Each setback teaches us valuable lessons about ourselves and the world around us. By embracing these experiences as learning moments, we enable ourselves to grow stronger and wiser. Meditation helps quiet the mind and deepen our understanding of our thoughts and emotions, making it easier to shift from negative to positive thinking. Gratitude, on the other hand, focuses our attention on what we have rather than what we lack, inviting more positivity into our lives. Letting go of limiting beliefs is crucial for mental transformation. By identifying and challenging these beliefs, we can replace them with empowering ones that support our growth and success. Self-love at the core of this journey involves treating ourselves with kindness and compassion, recognizing our worth and believing that we deserve happiness and fulfillment. Celebrating progress, no matter how small, is essential. Positive reinforcement keeps us motivated and committed to our journey. Surrounding ourselves with positive affirmations and practicing mindfulness helps maintain focus on our goals and reinforces positive beliefs. A healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular physical activity, supports our mental well-being. Taking care of our physical health helps us stay positive and focused. Patience with ourselves is key as change takes time and setbacks are a natural part of the journey. In summary, changing our mental state requires dedication and practice. By focusing on positive thoughts, practicing self-care, and creating supportive environments, we can transform our lives. The shift from fear to love and recognizing our inner power allows us to create the life we desire. Approach this journey with patience and compassion, knowing that each step brings you closer to inner peace and fulfillment. Dear viewers, as you reflect on these messages and how they resonate with your own journey, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, and insights in the comments below. How have you embraced the universe's abundance in your life? How do you find harmony and balance? Your stories inspire us and others, creating a space of understanding. Let's continue this conversation and uplift each other. Comment below and let your voice be heard.